All right, take two. Let's try this again. Good morning, everyone. Here to show you one more set of new products, and we're going to make a healthy egg white omelet because me and the family are heading to New York City this morning. So I might as well eat healthy now because you never know what happens when you go to the city. So this is new. We do have a 10 and a 12 inch, but this is the new 8.5-inch non-stick stainless steel. So it does both. It performs like stainless steel, but it's easy to clean up like a non-stick. So you can kind of see the grid right here. So as always, comment live if you're watching live, comment replay if you're watching replay, and if you see anything you like, just comment live or comment link or whatever, and I'll send you a link, okay? So anyway, so we're preheating the skillet real quick. And one of the ideas I had this morning is to show you guys our new cold pressed olive oil. So, you know, I'm pretty biased with olive oil, so it's got to be good olive oil. I'm not going to use it. But this is our new garlic parmesan, and you can see right here, it has a lot of garlic. So you definitely always kind of want to shake it up. See that? So I had this at the home office with just some bread and just dip it in. So it's really good like that. But then we also have this basil infused olive oil as well. So again, it's a cold pressed olive oil, which is really high quality olive oil. So I thought I don't know, should I use the basil? Good morning, Marianne. Should I use the basil or the garlic parmesan? I thought I could put that in as the bottom for my egg whites. I don't know. What do you think? I think I'm gonna go with this garlic parmesan one. All right. Claudia, open this thing. Anybody else do that? I always use my teeth. There we go. So it smells so good. You think we should use that? Or the basil? I don't know. All right, let's just use, I don't know. Which one should we use? Okay, while I make my egg whites, I'll let you guys vote. Should we use the garlic or the basil infused with our egg white omelet? So of course, in order to make egg whites, you can just buy the ones like that are already done, or you can use our handy dandy new egg separator. And you know, if you're trying to lose weight or lots of protein, egg whites have protein without anything else, no carbs, no fat, so it's a good thing to eat. So you see how easy it is to separate the egg white from the egg yolk. Or sometimes you may have recipes, right? Nicole says use the garlic. Okay, kind of was leaning towards the garlic too. So look, it just leaves I don't know, it's like very satisfying in a way. So I'm gonna use 2 egg whites this morning. Just throw it in here, shake it out, and you get nothing, not even a little piece of yolk in here. Which if you're doing like a meringue, if you wanna have like whipped egg whites, that's what you wanna use, right? So, okay, you saying garlic? All right, let's use the garlic one. Look at all this garlic. Like there has to be like, I feel like a third of this bottle is garlic. There's a lot of garlic in it. Do you guys see, can you guys see all the particles in here? Like there's a lot of garlic in here. Right? All right, I'm gonna be smelling for the rest of the day. Ooh. But I think it's gonna taste really good, right? So in this, see, you can see the bits and pieces. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but you can see the bits and pieces of garlic and parmesan. So I'm gonna add some cherry tomatoes. I'm gonna just kind of let them fizzle in there for a minute. It makes your omelet look really pretty too when you add some of that. And then I'm also going to add, this is kind of like a Greek egg white omelet, because I'm going to add some roasted red peppers that my parents make all the time when they're here. So we're going to use a little bit of yellow. So if you're popping in live, comment live. We're making a egg white omelet, like a Greek style egg white omelet. Is anybody else, like I'm obsessed with roasted red peppers. Do you guys love roasted red peppers? Like homemade, not the jar ones, they taste like crap. And it's so easy to make if you have our air fryer, because you just set it and forget it. I guess I need like a little spatula. So we're gonna let this cook, and we're gonna get our egg whites ready right here. Here's the husband. Good morning.
Good morning.
I need some salt. There's Gigi. Everybody's waking up because we're getting ready to head to the city. But all right, let me get some salt. Jada, can you get me the salt from the table, please? The salt and pepper. So I love some good colors. Can you guys see that? Like Such pretty colors right here. Yes, thank you. So you definitely want to season your egg whites because they're kind of bland. Thank you. Almost out of pepper. Okay. All right. So let me take you over here so you guys can see what this looks like. Hi. Good morning. See, so this pan is just absolutely gorgeous. Very pretty pan. And it does come with a lid, which helps if you're making an omelet too, right? All right. So I'm gonna let this cook for a little bit. So we used, for those of you that are tuning in, we used the garlic parmesan, new olive oil. Look at all them chunks in here at the bottom to kind of enrich the flavor. And here we go. Let's add our egg whites. So basically I'm showing you a couple of new products today. This pan, we just separated our eggs with our egg separator, which has a handle that, you know, you can put on bigger bowls or smaller bowls, but it even works on a little prep bowl right here. And we're using our new oils, and we could have used this guy, which is really cool. It's our new, look, you just push it, whee, see, and then the oil comes up and then you can measure it. Pretty cool, right? So you're never overusing olive oil, which adds a lot of fat. So, all right, so here we go. Gonna add our egg whites. If you're popping in live, comment live, guys. Turn up the heat a little bit. And then I'm going to top it with some feta cheese to make it like a Greek style omelet. So we have roasted red peppers, we have tomatoes, we have garlic infused oil, and then we're gonna top it off with some feta cheese as well. And this is where the lid comes in good for an omelet too. So we're gonna let that sit and forget, and I'll post below the results. But just this pan is just absolutely gorgeous. It's always good to have a little 8.5-inch pan for eggs or one piece of chicken or something like that. So it's good to have that. So comment live, you're popping in live. Thanks for tuning in for day 4, for checking out the new products. Ciao, ciao.